Another pet door installation, this time in a wall over here. We're also installing some door locks, removing some exterior security screen doors, putting up a ring floodlight, etc., and so on. So these are some of the common tasks that I do. We'll see how this one turns out. It's going through the exterior wall, obviously, stuccoed wall, so we'll see how that goes. Hey everybody, this is John. I'm about halfway done with the pet door. I've got the opening cut out. We had to take out a small piece of the 2x4, which I'm going to reinforce up here. There's a stud here and one here, and I'll tie one in here. Outside of that, I'm outside cutting the stucco, which in some of the homes here in Arizona got pretty good thick stucco, so it's going a little bit slower, but so far so good. Okay, so here's our pet door after we've got it wrapped up. Everything went well on the outside here. I got it framed ready for some pets.